Horynar single burner propane stove, elegant design, high heat, and safe outdoor cooking power. There are features include: experience the perfect combination of style, strength, and performance with the Horynar single burner propane stove, an elegant yet powerful solution for all your outdoor cooking adventures. Crafted from high-grade tempered glass and integral thickened steel, this propane burner is both sturdy and visually stunning. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, its sleek design adds a touch of class to any outdoor setup. Delivering an impressive 15,000 BTU of heating power, this stove utilizes 360 degrees oxygen intake technology and a pure blue rotating flame to ensure maximum heat efficiency. With 30% improved wind resistance and 20% lower gas consumption, it delivers high-performance cooking while saving on fuel costs. It can boil a pint of water in just 3 minutes, making meal preparation faster and easier than ever. Safety and reliability are built into every detail. The CSA-certified propane hose, included in the package, guarantees safe and secure operation. Its automatic ignition system eliminates the need for matches or lighters. Simply turn the knob and the stove lights instantly. Tested through 60,000 ignition cycles, this system ensures long-term durability and ease of use. The stove's explosion-proof tempered glass surface is designed to withstand temperatures up to 1472 degrees Fahrenheit. Constructed with 4 layers of protective materials, it provides excellent durability and resistance to impact. Cleaning is effortless. Just wipe it down after cooking, and it's ready for your next adventure. For extra peace of mind, Horynar offers a 1-year warranty and 24/7 support, including free replacement for glass breakage or gas leaks. Whether you're escaping to nature or setting up an outdoor kitchen, this propane stove combines efficiency, elegance, and safety in one compact design. Enjoy the freedom to cook wherever you go, knowing you're supported by premium materials, advanced safety features, and a brand that puts your satisfaction first. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.